Hey everybody, this is a real quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on your Redmi Buds 3 Pro if they are not connecting to Bluetooth or not working, or maybe sound is only coming out of one of the earbuds. Doing a reset will fix a lot of these issues. It's very simple to do. All you need to do is put your earbuds in their case and then close the top. And then once we do that, once we're in there, the top is closed, we're gonna come and we're gonna press and hold this button that's down here. And we're going to continue to press, and this light will start to blink. And we're going to continue to press as that light blinks. And then finally, when this light becomes a solid white like we see it now, then we can release it and we can open our earbuds up and take them back out. And then you will notice they will, of course, be unpaired from any devices because they've now been reset. So you'll need to redo the pairing of your earbuds with any devices you wish to use them on. Hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.